Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help For You. So in today's video, we're looking at a car that a fellow YouTuber has recently uploaded a little sneak peek about. And the YouTuber in question is Matt Armstrong. So for those of you that don't know about him, Matt Armstrong is a very popular known YouTuber, and what he does is he takes accident damaged cars and he rebuilds them. So, for example, Marcus Rashford, the football player, he's just recently took over his Rolls-Royce Wraith. He bought it from a salvage auction and he's rebuilding that to put it back onto the road. All his rebuilds, the amount of work and effort he puts into the cars, they are amazing. He definitely turns the cars around, and you can't, all the cars really, you can't even tell they've been in an accident when he's finished with them, because he puts them back, carries out the repairs exactly how they should have been done. Unfortunately, so the insurance companies write these cars off, but obviously creates great content for him. So a bit about Matt is he started off fixing cars on his driveway, and now he's worked his way up and he's got such a big YouTube channel where he can actually afford to buy Lamborghinis and, like I said, Rolls Royces and stuff like that. So this is one car that he hinted in his recent Instagram video. I'm not sure if it's on YouTube or not at the minute. But he was mentioning this Lamborghini. And with Matt, he doesn't tend to talk about cars that he's not going to buy. So will he buy this one or will he let it go? We don't know. But I thought we should have a quick look into it and see what we think. So the car in question is a 2020 Lamborghini Aventador. It's got 23,000 miles on it. The estimated retail value is 450,000, and you can pick them up just slightly cheaper than that, but they are in that price bracket. HPI clear. This one is my apologies. This one is a category S, which means it's structurally damaged. The engine does not run, and it's got rear end damage as well. You can see the engine size, it's a petrol, and then we've got the additional description for the auction itself. So it's got the folding mirror, electric mirrors, folding exterior, electric folding, exterior. It's got the gear shift and all that, but the main things that you want to look on there are transmission fault, dashboard warning, light illuminated, engine will not start, reason unknown. Now this could be anything from the pyro fuse not allowing the car to start, or it could be something severe that the gearboxes took a significant amount of damage. We can't see the damage until the car's actually maybe up in the air or started to be stripped down, because with it being an automatic, it won't actually start unless the gearbox recognises that the gear is in P, which is park. However, it could be something as minor as the pyro fuse, which you just need to replace and you're good to go. Again, it'd be nice to see how Matt diagnoses it and what he says is the fault after figuring it out. It's got one key with it. It's got all the Lamborghini stuff, and it's a category S. So if we go over and look at the pictures now. I didn't want to click on the VIN number or the reg number, as if Matt does buy it, he might not want anyone to look at it, and the auction have covered it for a reason. So as you can see there, just off the bat, if I put it onto HD, just off the bat there, we can see it's got some, it's not sat straight, which means this side is collapsed. So it's got, what's it called? It's got suspension damage. It's going to need a new wing, possibly a new rear bumper. But just at the front there, it's a new wing, a new bonnet, lights, bumper, and the impact bar, so the crash bars took some damage. There isn't a lot of engine components here. Well, there isn't any, so this can all be replaced. I think it's bolt on, bolt off stuff, so this should be a fairly straightforward rebuild. Again, Matt takes on significantly bigger damaged cars, so this is more or less a quick in, quick out job for him. But he does detail in his videos how much he got the parts for and where he got them from, so it'd be nice to see what the parts on these go for. This is an SVJ, obviously, so they are definitely sought after cars. And even in the condition it's in, it's still a good looking car, this. So it'd definitely be nice to see it put right. Doesn't look like there's any damage there, other than that light. As you can see there, that light doesn't look right. That gap on the actual tailgate itself looks like it's out towards the bottom. Again, auction pictures can be deceiving, so we're not fully sure, but it's definitely a stunning looking car. On this side, we've got the rear bumper damage, the rear quarter, and we've got rear light. We've got suspension damage. You can see the wheels in. The car sat on the floor again, so we've definitely got suspension damage there. And then it moves on to the interior. So there's no airbags deployed, which is definitely a great sign so far. Everything that looks like it's a straightforward rebuild. That could possibly be water sat in there, but that may have been due to the rain when it's rained. Obviously the car's located in England, United Kingdom, and we do have a lot of rain over here, so that could just be because of that. But it's definitely a doable repair. As you can see there, the car's only got 23,000 miles on it, so it's done absolutely nothing. It's on the radio channels connected to London, so the car may be from there. It's a bit more of a better picture of the damages. You've got your airbag sensors and stuff, your impact sensors, so it definitely just look like those parts. Now, when you start stripping these cars is when you start uncovering more damage, like he's got with the Rolls Royce. As soon as he started stripping it, there was more damage behind it, which he wasn't aware of. Matt takes on projects like this all the time, even worse than this, so he is definitely the best person for the rebuild. Oh, there we can see the car's not sat right. As I was saying, the car's it's sat completely down on one side. There you can see it's actually hitting the floor on one side. So he would be looking at getting quite a significant amount of work done to this car. But Matt does it all himself. Well, the majority of it does himself. He doesn't really outsource stuff. So it would be nice to see him rebuild this. And like I said, he doesn't really show cars on his social media unless he's buying them. So this is be nice to see if he actually does go ahead and buy this and what it goes for. Because it's currently on where's the bid? Sorry, there it is. So it's currently on £201,000 with 23k miles on it. And it has only got 1 day and 31 minutes left. So if we do an interior view, I'm not sure how you do it. There it is. I'm sure you do it like that. Interior. So they won't show the exterior, but they will show the interior. And for some reason, it's not allowing me to click on it. But the interior will just confirm that there isn't no airbag damage, which you can see there. There's nothing coming out. We can see everything at the front. See, there's no airbag damage. So it is quite a good car to go for. It is a beautiful, stunning looking car. I know I wouldn't mind having it if I could afford it. But it goes on the 20th. It'd be nice to see what it goes for. And it'd be nice to see how long it takes Matt to get it, rebuild it, and get it back on the road. Unfortunately, it's not going to be worth £450,000 due to it being a category car. So it's going to lose quite a bit of its value. But that's what makes it a good buy from the auctions, because hopefully you can buy it for a fraction of what it's worth, putting it together, and you've still got a SVJ that's 450,000 to anyone else, but you've got it for absolute bargain. You've put it together, and you've got that sense of achievement that you've managed to put a car like this together. So it'd be nice to see what he does. And like I said, Matt is the guy, correct person to do this. And I will tag his, I will put his channel into the description of this video. So if you do want to go out and check his channel, it's definitely worth a watch, and he does make some amazing content, so it's definitely something I recommend watching. But if any of you guys have got any videos, because I've had it in the past where 1 or 2 people have requested a video for a car, and what I've done is I've made a video and sent it to them privately so they can then see what damages and stuff there are. If you've got any cars that you're buying from salvage auctions and you just want a second opinion on, or you just want someone to look at, you know, a fresh set of eyes, sometimes we can catch something that you've missed. I'm not going to be 100% accurate on when I'm looking at these videos, but I might pick up something you don't, and I might give you my honest opinion. Well, I will give you my honest opinion. But if you see anything that you want me to just make a quick little video on, put it in the comments, put the lot number or the item number and what auction you've seen it at, and I'll pop over, have a look at it online. I'll make a quick video and I'll try and see the damages to the best of my ability. I'll put it in for you. But do remember that pictures can be deceiving. So just because we can see this amount of damage in this car doesn't necessarily mean it's just going to be limited to this. There may be other damages that I haven't noticed. But anyway, guys, it's a wrap for now. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.